Hi, my name's Shane Delia. I'm chef and partner here at Maha in Melbourne in Bond Street. At Maha, we're a Middle Eastern restaurant. We're not a fusion restaurant. We're not a modern Middle Eastern restaurant. We're not a restaurant that's trying to do anything fancy. We're just trying to cook good food. I think in any business, it's really important to stay relevant. So on the eve of our 10th anniversary here at Maha, we thought it was time to revitalise what we do, give people a new reason to come back. When it was time to do a renovation in the Maha kitchen, we didn't want to just repair what was already here. We wanted to start again from ground up. So we replaced absolutely everything. We knocked out the walls, we ripped out the tiles and started again. The SKOPE Refrigeration appliances that we've integrated into our new kitchen here at Maha are basically all of our refrigeration goods, our stand-up freezers, and also we've got some beautiful Inox product. We chose a great kitchen designer, we chose great products that we knew had a good reputation, but not just a great reputation, that were founded on excellence, founded on great service, and also products that we knew that could stand the test of time. So all of our refrigeration in the kitchen is all SKOPE, and all of our blast chillers and blast freezers are Inox.